Hey there! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to manage your Google Contacts like a pro from Google Sheets using Sheet2Contact. First, install the Sheet2Contact to your Google Sheet. Open Google Sheet, go to Extension Add-ons, get Add-ons, and search Sheet2Contact. Install this add-on. It will create a sheet. Don't rename the headers of the column. Contact ID, last update and status columns will be updated automatically. So please don't enter anything in that column. Import your contacts into the sheet. To do that, go to Extension Sheet2Contact, click on Import Contact from Google Contact. Now, all your Google contacts are here in a sheet. You can now make any changes you want to your contacts in the sheet. To create a new contact, add data to a new row in the relevant columns. Tip: if you want to add more than one email, phone number or address to a single contact, you can do that too. Just separate the values with a pipe symbol. For example, if you want to add 2 email addresses for a contact, just enter them in the same cell, separated by a pipe symbol. Same goes for phone numbers, addresses and others. And if you want to delete a contact, then mark yes in the Want to Delete column. Sync the changes. Once you're done editing, it's time to sync your sheet with your Google Contacts. Go to Extension, Sheet2Contact, sync with Google Contact, and your changes will be synced with Google Contact. After this, don't forget to re-import your contacts using the Import Contact from Google Contact option in Sheet2Contact. This final step ensures that all your changes in the sheet are correctly synced with your Google Contacts. If you found the Sheet2Contact add-on helpful, please take a moment to rate and review us. Try Sheet2Contact now.